Hello, today I want to introduce our final project, CNN-based stock price trend image recognition. And this is our team members and contributions. And my presentation will follow these 5 parts. And then let me give a brief introduction to this project. Our reproduced work uses CNN to identify stock price trend. Traditional asset pricing research often relies on manual statistics and preset assumptions, which limits prediction accuracy and automation. This study converts historical price and volume data into two-dimensional images, employing a convolutional neural network to predict stock price direction over next n days. Specifically, the author used OHLC charts from US stocks representing each day's higher, low, open, and closed price. Each trading day occupies only 3 picks in width, with first closing price normalized to 1. A moving average and volume bar chart were added at the image bottom, reproducing 20 days of stock price information to predict 5, 20, and 16 days return. The module architecture is shown in the figure. This module input size is 16.4 multiplied 60. Following the author settings, we added strategies including dropout, batch, normalization, and early stopping. For 20-day returns, we tested 3 early stopping conditions: no early stopping from the first epoch, and early stopping from the 10th epoch. Training and validation loss curves are shown on the right. Early stopping from the start yields the highest accuracy. Therefore, we also applied early stopping from the beginning for 5 and 60-day predictions. The reproduced work model's accuracy and correlation coefficients are shown in the table below, aligning closely with the original paper. As for the model evaluation, we sorted stocks into turn deciles based on predicted probabilities. From decile 1, lowest probability of positive return, to decile 10, the highest. As shown, we computed key metrics: annual return, volatility, Sharpe ratio, and turnover. Results show that equal weights strategy for I20R20 performs well, achieving a Sharpe ratio of 1.73. Particularly, it existed a strict monotonic return trend across deciles, indicating a strong predictive signal. Limitations were noted. The value weight strategy for I20R16 underperformed. The turnover for I20R20 remained excessively high, implying substantial transaction costs in practice. To ensure these findings were robust, we conducted an extensive sensitivity analysis. The results show our model is remarkably resistant to major architecture changes. Altering letter size or stride has minimum impact on accuracy. However, it's sensitive to regularization. Moving dropouts seriously harm performance. This demonstrates that while the model learns genuine market patterns, careful tuning remains essential for generalization. To better understand how our model works, we use GridCom to visualize its decision process. We found that shallow convolutional layers capture local price patterns like large daily candles, while deeper layers recognize multiple days, trends, and structures. Most importantly, the model consistently associates higher price relation with up prediction and lower relation with down prediction, confirming it learns meaningful price position relationship rather than random noise. Finally, we extended our approach beyond binary classification to predict exact return values. The regression model achieved lower prediction error, and when we sort out stocks into portfolio based on this continuous prediction, we still observe a clear monotonic performance trend. This confirms that predictive signal we captured is strong and working efficiently for both direction classification. And this is our conclusion of the project. And we established a reproducible CNN-based framework for trend recognition. And that's all. Thanks for listening.